All connected, no errors found, and run. Oh my god, guys, look at this! Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be absolutely awesome because I have an amazing gadget to show you all. Thing is, using RGB lighting or having flashy components in your gaming PC is like a thing of past these days, guys. We've been doing this since many years and now it's finally time to go like a step beyond and make your PC like truly next gen, that too at a very affordable price. And that is what we'll be doing in this video, and we'll be using a special mini display, guys, tiny display. And this display can do so many things, guys. It's like fully functional. You can consider this like a tiny sensor panel for your PC where it can show lots of parameters like your CPU frequencies, temperatures, GPU temperature, your RAM usage, or you can even apply some custom wallpapers, anime themes on it, and do so much more. So guys, I'm like quite excited to unbox and show you that mini display that we got from this company known as Mech DIY, guys. It came in this sort of box packaging. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the mini display I was talking about. Comes in this sort of box packaging. Very simple cardboard box packaging, nothing written on it. And by the way, it came internationally from Mech DIY website, guys. These guys deal with like variety of PC related accessories, very fun and interesting products. And they sent it to me for a review on our channel. Anyways, on opening the package, looks like there's a keychain in the box, guys. It says Mech DIY. Thank you for this, looks pretty nice. So keeping that aside, guys, let's check out the main thing that we've been waiting for. Looks like you also get like a free kickstand for the display. Using this, you can easily place the display on it, guys. Super useful. And along with that, we've got some cables and stuff. This is a double-sided sticker, I believe. And then you've got a Type-C cable to connect this mini display to your PC or laptop. And finally, guys, here's the display I was talking about. Comes packed like this in a thermocol package. And my god, just look at this thing! Oh boy, is this metal? Guys, the whole body is actually made of metal. Very good build quality, and it says Turing Smart Screen at the back side. And you've got a couple of ports over here, and the whole circuit is actually kind of exposed. And on the front side is where you've got the main display, guys. But let me tell you, this thing is like very portable, compact, and very lightweight also. So on the front, you've got like a 3.5-inch IPS display, guys, and has a resolution of around 320 by 480, which is pretty good for this size. And you can do a lot of things using this display, which I'll tell you in a moment. So going to the side, there is nothing over here, guys, just some connectivity ports at the back side, and I'll tell you how to set it up and use it also in a moment. And finally, you get some instruction papers over here, guys. Looks like a user manual on how to set up and use it. Just make sure to read this, guys, for complete information. So that's it, guys. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, connect it to my PC, and then we'll get started with the actual video. Using this display is very simple, guys. All you need to do is just connect a Type-C cable from your computer or laptop to this Type-C port at the top of the display. And keep in mind that it only works on Windows operating system and doesn't work on Linux or maybe Mac operating systems. And there's also one more Type-C port over here at the center of the display. I'm not sure why the company actually included this, because we can't actually connect cable also because there's very less spacing. Must be something related for the developer use or something like that, guys. They didn't even mention anything about this in the user manual, so I just left it to there. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the software, and then we'll talk about all of its main highlights, features, and what this thing can actually do. So this is a software that you need to download on your PC. It works only on Windows operating system, so you can use it either on your PC or laptop, and it's easily available on the product page itself, guys. Nothing to worry about. So just run this USB monitor application in the folder using administrative rights, and there you go. This is how it opens up. It's called Turing Smart Screen, same name as the mini display itself, and you've got like a lot of options over here, and the whole UI is also like very easy to understand. It comes with like predefined 10 to 12 themes, and you can choose them and apply, run, and you're good to go. We'll come to all of these themes in a moment. I'll show them to you one by one. And apart from that, guys, you've got lots of options, like you can flip the screen 0 degrees or 180 degrees, or you can even go from portrait to landscape mode as per your convenience, however you want to place this display in your PC. And you see this user defined tab over here. Well, you can define the name of the CPU, GPU, RAM, whichever present on your PC. as per your convenience. So for example, my PC has Ryzen, right? I just need to type Ryzen 9 and press this run button, and there you go, the display has already started working. Let me give you all a closer look and show you how the display on it looks like. So you got like lots of options over here, guys. You can easily adjust the brightness of the display also, and let me tell you, it's actually quite bright. I didn't expect that. Let's have a closer look. So there you go, this is how the mini 3.5-inch display looks like. And from my first impressions, guys, I'm totally blown away. I did not expect it to look this good, guys. You've got great amount of detail, good sharpness, everything is like easily readable. Colors are also like rich and accurate, and has good viewing angles thanks to that IPS panel. There's loads of information over here, guys. For example, it shows you the current CPU temperature, name of the CPU frequency, and also shows you GPU temperature, RAM status, how much RAM is being occupied, how much VRAM is available, and not only that, it also gives you a glance at your internet speeds as well, upload and download, and a couple of other stuff. Alright, now coming back to the software part during smart screen. From here, guys, you can choose different themes. You got a special Cyberpunk 2077 theme as well available. Just hit the run button and there you go, it's already running on our mini display. That looks pretty sick, right? Just look at that! Very futuristic. I can't wait to put this display in my PC actually. And you see this user defined tab over here. Here you can easily define like what CPU you have, GPU you have, and the RAM present in your CP as per your convenience, guys. Just simply enter the text using your keyboard and it will automatically appear on the display. 1 is for CPU, 2 is for GPU, 3 is for RAM, guys. Just like this. And after that, hit the run button and they'll automatically apply on the display. Now apart from that, guys, you can even adjust the colors. Like you can change the colors of the whole theme as per your convenience. And in the normal settings over here, we've got a couple of more options. Like you can choose which connection, which network speeds you want to monitor. For example, your Wi-Fi or Ethernet upload and download speeds, you can do that. And along with that, the software says it is also capable of displaying weather information on the display, but unfortunately it was not working for me. No matter what city name or I try to search, nothing happens, just it goes blank. So I don't know, there must be some sort of bug in it, and I hope the developer can actually solve this very soon. And you see this auxiliary sensor at the bottom right, well, that is used to get information about the built-in graphics in the CPU in case you don't have like a dedicated GPU. So you can even take that as per your convenience. So these were some major settings available on it, and apart from that, guys, everything else is like based on regular themes and theme editing and these sort of stuff. In the background settings, you can choose like what sort of background do you want, but before that you have to particularly choose a particular theme, guys, and then only you are like free to choose any background. Well, I've told you, right, the resolution is like 320 by 480. Download any 320 by 480 or edit your own pictures using Photoshop with that custom resolution, and then you can easily apply them using this software. Just head over to this background setting tab, click on that and select the photo that you want to apply, and just boom, run it and you're good to go. And this is the theme editor section. You just need to choose any of your basic custom predefined themes available in the software, and you can easily edit a lot of stuff over here. For example, you want to display like CPU temperature or GPU temperature, or you want some sort of clock frequency to be displayed, or you want to change the background image. Everything is possible. We've got a couple of anime themes also available, guys. I don't know who the developer of this software is, but looks like he's an hardcore otaku and also a man of culture. He's got like beautiful anime posters and wallpapers pre-included in this software, and you can choose a couple of them easily from this 3.5mm picture folder in the software, guys. We've got lots of amazing pictures of Saber from Fate series, and then we've got Asuna from SAO and a couple of other wallpapers, and let me tell you, they look very beautiful on this mini display. I don't know how it's looking in the video, but to me personally now it looks quite attractive, guys. And this actually gave me like a very nice idea of building anime themed gaming PC builds. Like imagine what if I make like a complete 02 themed base gaming PC. That would be sick, right? Just let me know in the comment section if you guys are actually interested in those sort of videos, and I'll definitely do that. Apart from that, the overall UI, usability, everything is pretty good, guys. Everything works well and happens real time. I didn't face any sort of bugs and issues also over here, and was quite satisfied with the results. Okay, that was legit awesome, guys. I like the concept behind this thing, and it was like super functional and definitely works as promised. But here are some of my thoughts and actually like suggestions for the company. Maybe they could implement and make it even more better in future. Thing is, right now it only supports like JPEG or PNG files to be used as background images, right? But what if the company could actually implement using GIFs or maybe like videos, guys, to be used as background, because it's basically an IPS screen, right? It should be able to display anything used at that resolution. That would be awesome, because I would love to have a GIF or maybe like a video playing in my PC where Goku goes Super Saiyan or maybe something like that. It would be like super awesome, right? Well, that's it. We pretty much covered everything. Oh yes, the pricing details. It costs around $39.9, which is roughly around 2,900 rupees, and is available on Mech DIY website. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.